Bonjour à tous,
Hello
bienvenue
everybody,
pour le
welcome to the photo call for the film Rocketman, directed by Dexter Fletcher.
Qui nous raconte donc
And it tells the
la
story
vie
of
tumultueuse
the exciting life
de la star, de la superstar, de la star mondiale de la pop, Elton John.
Superstar Elton John.
Aux côtés et autour du réalisateur.
So the director is having his photo taken alongside the actors who play Elton John at different stages in his life. So the actors are taking off their sunglasses, so you can see Taron Egerton, who is one incarnation of Elton John in the film. He was known for Kingsman, the Kingsman series of films. And he's standing next to Dexter Fletcher. You'll also see Bryce Dallas Howard there, actress.
Fille bien sûr du grand réalisateur Ron Howard.
Who
Richard Madden est là.
Was the daughter of filmmaker Howard.
Voilà,
We've also got Richard Madden on screen.
Je crois qu'on aperçoit également David Furnish, le producteur
And if I'm
de ce film.
not mistaken, David Furnish is there. He's one of the producers. Kit Connor also.
Qui se trouve là de dos à gauche.
He is on the left with his back to us right now.
Voilà donc le réalisateur.
There we have the director on
Dexter
screen.
Fletcher.
Dexter Fletcher is his name.
Aux côtés de son casting,
Standing next to the members of his crew.
Bryce Dallas Howard,
Bryce
Taron Egerton,
Dallas Howard, rather. Richard Madden.
Kit Connor.
Taron Egerton. Kit Connor.
Pour ce film donc, qui nous raconte la
So
vie
this film tells the story of Elton John.
tumultueuse,
All the excitement,
superstar
the
mondiale,
ups and downs of a
icône en quelque sorte de la
global
pop, icône
icon.
LGBT aussi.
He's an
Elton John.
LGTB
Elton John qui on l'espère
superstar
devrait être là ce soir
also.
pour monter les marches
He will be on the red carpet this evening, we hope.
et qui sera peut-être
And
présent
perhaps
pour la fin de ce photocall.
he will even make an appearance at the end of this photo call. Let's keep our fingers crossed. You never
Le
know.
réalisateur,
There we have the director,
le réalisateur,
Dexter Fletcher.
Dexter Fletcher, qui a pour particularité d'avoir porté longtemps le biopic Bohemian Rhapsody.
Who was also hoping to
Sur,
make
sur,
Bohemian Rhapsody,
Freddie Mercury,
Queen
sur
on Freddie Mercury,
qu'il avait dû abandonner
but he had to give up that
le
project
réalisateur Bryan Singer, mais il
and
avait
hand it over to Brian Singer. But he was called back by Rami Malek, who plays Mercury, to complete the shoot. So he did about 30% of Bohemian Rhapsody,
entre-temps, il
the
s'était
film. In the meantime,
consolé
however,
avec ce projet.
he was very busy with the Rocketman project, produced by Elton John. It's all about Elton John.
Avec à l'écran
On the screen,
ce jeune comédien
we
charismatique.
have the very charismatic
Taron Egerton.
English actor Taron Egerton, who plays Elton John. He's very famous thanks to the Kingsman series.
L'actrice américaine Bryce Dallas Howard.
American actress
Et
Bryce
l'acteur
Dallas
anglais
Howard
Richard
and English actor Richard Madden,
Célèbre aussi pour de nombreuses séries.
who's been in many, many series.
Bryce Dallas Howard, la dernière fois qu'on l'a vu à Cannes, c'est en
The
compétition.
last time we
avec,
saw
Mulder
Bryce here,
et
it was with the Lance von Trier film.
Garde ses lunettes pour l'instant.
She's keeping her
Bryce.
sunglasses on.
Et voilà donc Taron
So
Egerton.
on screen,
Disait la série
Taron
Kingsman.
Egerton, famous for the
Dans
Kingsman.
Eddie
He
the Eagle,
was also
même
in the
avec
film
Dexter Fletcher.
Eddie the Eagle, a film also directed by
Legend.
Dexter Fletcher.
De Brian Legend. Également dans Mémoire de
He was
jeunesse.
also in Legend, directed by Brian Helgeland.
Et il est à l'affiche de
And
Romain Desbois,
he
Otto
stars
Bathurst.
in Robin Hood, a film directed by Otto Bathurst.
Richard Madden, je vous le disais, on l'a vu dans de nombreuses
Moving on
séries
now
télé.
to his
Au cinéma.
colleague, Richard Madden. We've seen him on the television
Affiche également
and
de
in
1917
film.
de Sam Mendes.
He is going to be in the feature film directed by Sam Mendes entitled 1917.
Richard
He
Bach.
featured in Ibiza, the film directed by Alex Richenbach.
Et revoilà donc Bryce
here we
Dallas
are.
Howard,
With Bryce Dallas Howard on your
récemment
screen.
à l'affiche des Jurassic
Recently,
World
she was in Jurassic World
en 2015 et
in
ensuite en 2018.
2015, then in
Jurassic World
2018.
Fallen Kingdom, bien sûr.
Then The Fallen
de
Kingdom,
Diana, qui avait succédé à Colin Trevorrow.
which was the second
On l'avait vu
in
dans
the
Au-delà également
series.
de Clint Eastwood.
She
Bryce
also
Dallas.
was in a Clint Eastwood film.
Twilight chapitre 3. On l'avait vu également
She was in,
dans Terminator, Renaissance.
Twilight Saga, Breaking Dawn, Part 2.
Spider-Man 3 de Sam Raimi.
And the third Spider-Man in 2017.
La jeune fille de l'eau de Night Shyamalan. Manderley, je vous le disais, en compétition
Manderley,
à Cannes.
which was in
Lars
competition
von Trier.
in Cannes with Lars von Trier, the director. So she
Et elle
came
avait
to
tourné
Cannes
dans un
there.
film de son
And
papa.
she was in one of her
Howard,
dad's
très craché, d'une famille
film.
modèle. Elle est également réalisatrice.
And
Bryce
she's
Dallas Howard.
also a film director, of course.
Et voilà le héros, l'homme qui incarne donc
And here we have the hero of our film,
superstar
Rocket Man.
Elton
He
John,
plays the
Taron
role
Egerton.
of Elton John. His name is Taron Egerton.
acteur bouillonnant,
He's a really
charismatique, jeune
bubbly,
acteur anglais comme
charismatic English actor.
l'Angleterre et le Royaume-Uni plus largement en produit souvent.
This is often the case. The actors from the UK are full of life
Au
and
départ, Justin Timberlake
Vigor.
et Tom Hardy, par exemple, avaient été
Tom
aussi,
Hardy, Justin Timberlake
imaginés
were also possible
pour tourner
candidates
dans
to
ce
play the role of
produit par
Elton John.
qui avait figuré
Elton John is one of the producers of the film,
en tant que comédien, jouant son propre rôle dans Kingsman, le deuxième
and
Kingsman,
Elton John
Serpent
played
de
his
Matthew Vaughn.
own role, Elton John, in one of the Kingsman sagas.
Rencontrés, sur ce
And
tournage,
perhaps
tous les
that's
deux.
where these two got
Et le
together.
voilà donc incarnant
So here we have Taron Egerton,
l'incroyable Elton
who
John,
plays the magnificent
homme
Elton
à la
John.
vie, bien sûr, grand artiste, immense
A
artiste,
huge artist, a great
compositeur,
artist,
musicien,
composer,
chanteur,
musician,
qui a vendu
singer,
plus de 300 millions de
who
disques
sold
dans le
over
monde
300 million records around the world.
50 ans de carrière, il était
His
encore
career has spanned more than 50
récemment,
years. Quite
César
recently,
Palace
he
pour
was
des
at the
concerts
Caesar Palace
incroyables.
for some
bien
fabulous
sûr, tout le monde connaît une
concerts,
chanson
and
d'Elton
everybody
John.
knows at least one song by Elton John.
Une chanson d'Elton John qui avait gagné d'ailleurs un Oscar, hein,
Elton John, in
Oscar
fact,
de la
won
meilleure chanson originale pour le Roi Lion.
an Oscar for the best music for The Lion
Can
King.
You Feel the Love Tonight.
Can You Feel the
C'était
Love
donc
Tonight
le
was the
photocall,
title. That was the photo call for the film Rocket Man.
Du film Rocket Man.
Directed
On
by
espérait
Dexter
la
Fletcher.
venue d'Elton John.
We had hoped to see Elton John. Oh, there he is
on a
on
bien
your
fait patienter.
screen. We
Le voilà, Elton John,
were
donc,
right to hang on a little bit. There's
à
Elton
Cannes.
John in
Il est
Cannes,
là, Elton John, producteur et
the producer
inspirateur.
and
Donc,
the
voilà,
inspiration
ils
for
s'embrassent
this
tous les deux.
film. So there are lots of hugs
L'homme qui
there
l'incarne à l'écran,
in
le jeune
between
homme qui l'incarne
the
à
Rocket
l'écran
Man
et la
and the
superstar
actors
Elton
who
John.
played him. He's a superstar here in Cannes today.
72 ans.
72 years old.
Et voilà l'accueil des
The
photographes.
photographers are
Dexter Fletcher,
cheering.
le réalisateur qui embrasse Elton
There's
John,
the film director
ainsi que les producteurs.
greeting the superstar, producers there too.
Elton John qui est là, donc ça nous annonce une très
Elton
belle montée
John
des marches
is
ce
here.
soir.
So things are really looking good for the red carpet this evening. People will be dying to see him. He has millions of fans all around the world. And I'm sure many of them will be here to see him this evening. So his career has spanned over 50 years. He's constantly been producing, writing, singing.
C'est vraiment une icône
He
mondiale.
really is
Au-delà
a
de la musique.
world icon, above and beyond for
LGBT
his
aussi.
music. Also in the LGBT world, he's also an icon.
Qui s'est notamment battu
And
pour le
he
fléau du sida.
has really fought hard against AIDS,
Soulevant des fonds, amenant des fonds. Voilà, et le voilà avec son
there he is,
celui qui
moving
l'interprète
towards the
à l'écran.
photographers
On imagine la
alongside
responsabilité de Taron Egerton d'incarner,
Taron Egerton, who plays Elton John. What a responsibility
C'est assez rare
on
aussi, c'est
Taron's
signalé.
shoulders.
de voir des biopics sur un
So
personnage.
it's quite rare to see a biopic about a star who's still alive.
En l'occurrence producteur et qui va découvrir.
He's also
il
a
embrasse
producer. There he is
lui
giving
jeune.
a
Ça, c'est assez
hug,
marrant.
to the
Connor,
actor
voilà.
Kit Connor, who plays Elton John as a young boy.
Elton John, plus jeune. Et aux côtés d'Elton John, c'est donc le
Next
réalisateur
door to
Dexter
Elton
Fletcher.
John, we have Dexter Fletcher, who
Dans ce film.
poured so much passion into this film.
Qui est donc passé de Freddie Mercury à
So
Elton John.
Dexter Fletcher has moved between Freddie Mercury and Elton John, as I described earlier, because Dexter Fletcher
de Bohemian
directed the
Rhapsody.
end of the film
Un
Bohemian
film à
Rhapsody.
découvrir en salle en France.
That film,
Le
Bohemian
29
Rhapsody,
mai, Rocketman.
has been recently in France, and Rocketman is being released in France very, very soon, as it is in the UK.
Et bien sûr, vous allez découvrir la vie passionnante de cet
And you will see
tumultueux
unfolding on the screen the ups and downs of the life of Elton John. More highs, I would say, in terms of creativity.
balade qu'il composait.
The beautiful ballads that he's
On les
composed.
connaît toutes, on les a toutes fredonnées.
We all know them off by heart. We know the words, we know the tunes, we've heard them many, many times. But of course, he went through loads with drugs and alcohol, and he lost his way from time to time in his personal life.
Il ne voulait pas un film et une réalisation
He
normale pour une vie qu'il considère
Didn't
lui
want a
comme
normal type of film
extraordinaire
for his extraordinary
Il a
life.
perdu des êtres proches,
He
Elton
lost
John notamment,
near and dear to
en raison de
him
ce fléau
because of that scourge
du
of
sida,
AIDS.
contre lequel
And he has
il a
been
ensuite
on the forefront in the fight against AIDS.
décidé de faire une sorte de carrière humanitaire.
And he's got a very humanitarian career.
Et on le voit là,
Also, there he is,
à côté de Taron.
alongside Taron
Il a
Egerton.
créé une fondation, Elton John.
Elton John has created a foundation to combat AIDS.
Et il s'est approché des plus grands de ce monde,
And he contacted
notamment
the great and the famous in the world,
Bill Gates,
including
encore Hillary
Bill Gates
Clinton,
and Hillary Clinton,
bien sûr Barack Obama.
Barack Obama, Colin Powell,
Donc ils soutiennent cette lutte,
getting them
ce
to
terrible fléau.
support the fight against the scourge of AIDS.
Qui a touché la vie artistique mondiale également tout
AIDS has rampaged through the artistic world and killed many famous artists, many famous
On parlait
singers.
tout à l'heure de Freddie Mercury.
We've
Donc
already
voilà
mentioned
Elton
Freddie
John,
Mercury this
Israël.
morning. So here we have Elton John in Cannes.
Au côté, il me semble que c'est son compositeur,
Next
parolier, je
to
crois,
him, I
Bernie,
think, is Bernie Taupin, of course, who wrote many of the words for his songs.
Il a accompagné tout au long de sa carrière.
His lyricist has been working with him throughout Elton's entire career.
Elton John qui était avec eux aux côtés de son compagnon, Elton John et
Elton
Marie d'ailleurs.
John, in fact,
Elton John, je vous le
was
rappelle,
just being photographed with his partner and husband in life, David
la
Furnish.
meilleure chanson
Elton John
pour le Roi Lion.
won an Oscar for the music he wrote for the film The Lion King.
Feel the love tonight. Could you feel the love today? Love des photographes envers cette-
And there's a really warm atmosphere at the photo
les
call.
photographes qui demandent à Elton John de rester alors qu'on ne
Photographers are asking Elton John to stay.
pas assez.
They haven't had enough time yet to take all of those
c'est une
photos they
véritable
need to take
superstar.
because he
Ça
really
dépasse
is a
largement le monde de la
mega
musique.
superstar above and beyond the world of music.
Tout le monde à un moment de sa vie
Absolutely everyone at some time in their life
sonorisé en quelque sorte.
has had Elton John playing in the background to a great and
Et ces
important
chansons.
moment.
Peuvent avoir des effets de Madeleine de Proust,
They really take us
côté
back
du
to
patron de la Paramount,
past
Paul
lives.
Diodos, qui a produit
And here
ce
we
film.
have a representative of Paramount Pictures who are
Giannopoulos, donc,
producing the
producteur de
film.
Rocketman. Le voilà donc,
Paramount is producing Rocketman.
le compositeur de Rocketman, le chanteur
There
de
we have
Rocketman, bien sûr.
the composer, singer, and the producer of the film Rocketman, to be seen on the 29th of May in France
Royaume-Uni le 31.
and the 31st of May in the UK.